6/28/2020. What do I have? The weekly Midcap. Yeah. And let me tell you about it. It's the S&P Midcap 400 Index, and that S&P 400 Index is extremely important. We called the big reversal, and we went short and made a lot of money over the last 3 weeks when it went down. Join the #1 alert service, options alert service at your tip via the live trading room. Get started. We're here every day. We know what we're doing. Do you? No. Let us make you the money. Back to this. Now, this is not good because the S&P 400 mid-cap is a big part of stock market rallies. And the mid-cap is part of America, of those 400 companies, which are the mid-cap value of the 400 companies in this sector. Now, it's very, 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 very important to know one thing, is that the weekly chart has come down to a major critical support level for the bull. And if we break much lower in the mid cap, then what will happen is that the bull rally that we've had and enjoyed will get weaker, as it will. And there are stocks in the S&P 400 mid cap that we trade a lot of options on those stocks, and they make tons and tons of money. And it's a weekly chart for all of our traders around the world. And all of our live market makers, our risk management teams that we have, they're here, they're on standby, they're waiting for you. For the people that are watching the video that do have money, if you do have money, and you do have portfolio, you do have stocks, you do want to make money, you want to make good money, then you call us at 702-685-0772. Now, let's get back to the Midcap 400. We have the leadership stocks in the Midcap 400. Another thing that I will tell you is, here is the deal. The percentage of stocks above the moving averages. You take the 20-day moving average, there's 13.78% of stocks above it. If you take the 50-day moving average, only 11.02% stocks above the 50-day. There is 46.11% of the stocks trading above the 100-day moving average, which is a good number. But the disappointing number is the 200-day simple moving average. 26.56% of the stocks in the S&P 400 index are above the 200-day moving average. On 6/26, the previous close was 1754. On 6/26, we were short, and the index dropped 34 points, down 1.98%. The weekly chart, bulls to get the control back. The mid-cap is very important to the stock market health. Once again, we trade lots of them in there, in that index. That's why we're updating all of our people worldwide and want to know where we're at, and it's our duty to show you. So, make a ton of money in the S&P 400 mid-cap. And I've given the technicals out to all of our people. I'm going to conclude the weekly chart on the S&P Midcap 400 Index and the 400 stocks that trade in them.